type of guy, meaning that I'm ambitious. When I see something, I set a plan, I go get it. Back then, I wasn't checking inventory levels. I wasn't seeing what was happening on a micro and a macro level. Dude, I was just going. I was sending out marketing. I was talking to sellers, meeting with sellers without paying attention to like the big picture. You know, like, hey, I wasn't, it didn't hit me that like anybody that could breathe, anybody that had a pulse could qualify for $500,000 loan. And like, what impact would that have on the real estate market? So, man, we were just doing deals. And I'm just fortunate that losing that amount of money didn't put me out of the game. Yep. And it didn't discourage me. In fact, what it did was it motivated me. And that was what got me to open my mind about, hey, if I would have had a mentor or a coach in my corner, I would have never gotten involved in that deal. So, yeah, man, I mean, there's a lot more we can go from there. But that was my introduction to the crash of our economy is me losing 51 grand as a result.